Welcome to my channel. At the end of this video, you'll discover why about 99% of people got this algebraic expression wrong, and you also learn the correct way to simplify this expression. Now we have a solution. Here, many people consider this expression as 35 divided by 5 then divided by 5 divided by 85. Well, right here they consider this part, and the expression becomes here 35 divided by 5 that gives us 1 divided by 35. And right here they consider this 35 divided by 1, that gives 35, then divided by 85. And lastly, this 35 divided by 35, that gives 1. But this answer is wrong. When as such, this first approach here is completely wrong. Do not make this mistake. To get this correctly, we are going to have 35 divided by 5, then divided by this expression, the numerator should be enclosed in parentheses. We have 5 divided by 35. And right here, we are going to consider this expression in the parentheses first. Now to be simplified this, and the expression becomes 35 divided by 5 divided by 5 divided by 35, that will give us 1 all over 7. Now, the operation here is from left to right. We are going to move our simplification from left to right. Therefore, by doing that, we are going to have here, we consider this 35 divided by 5, that will give us 7 divided by 1 all over 7. Now at this point, we are going to apply KCF here. K mean keep, C mean change, and F mean flip. This simply implies that we are going to keep this first value with 7, we change the sign to multiplication, and we flip this expression 1 all over 7. Then here, note that 7 can also be expressed as 7 all over 1. Then we change the sign to multiplication, I said earlier, and we flip this, and that will give us 7 all over 1. Now we multiply this out, 7 multiplied by 7, that will give us 49, 1 multiplied by 1, that will give us 1. Then lastly, if we divide to 49 divided by 1, that will still give us 49. And this is the correct answer to this given expression right here. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you've already done that, thank you so much, and ensure that you stay tuned for more interesting videos from this channel.